Looking to work with top-tier clients on WordPress projects, Codeable connects expert developers with high-quality freelance opportunities. Simply sign up, complete your profile, and get matched with clients looking for your WordPress skills. It's a great way to land a well-paid project and grow your freelance career. So hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Codeable. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into codeable.io, and then you'll find a page which is this one. Here you have several things that could help you to know more about this platform. First, let's know what is Codeable. So it's an exclusive platform that connects expert WordPress developers with clients seeking high quality freelance WordPress services. It focuses on providing a created marketplace where only top rated developers are accepted, ensuring clients receive professional and reliable work. Codeable specializes in a wide range of WordPress tasks, from custom development to ongoing support. All you have to do right now is just here click over start a project, or you can just click over login. So let's just here discovering those things that could help us for getting started with this platform. First, I will just click over start a project. Then you will find a page which is this one. You have just to add the full name. Then you'll find a page which is this one. If you have what do you need help with, and as here I will just click over site build, customization or e-commerce, troubleshoot, design, optimization, other, retainer, consultation. I will select design, and then I will click over next. Here we have what is the rule, aesthetic or style you want for your website: modern and slack, classic and elegant, playful and creative, or other. I will click over other, and you just suggest other options you want, or you can just select here the one you want, and here we have it right now. And I will just select, for example, a modern and select if it's here neutral tones or other or bright and bold. Can you provide example of website would you like? I will just click over yes, and then I will click over next. We have the project title, so let's just add in something here, and then you can just add the description here. So then you'll find a page which is this one. As you can see, we have here is what you should know about Codeable. So we have 5 years in the making, and here we have project later. We can confidently assure you that we are providing the best environment for our client and experts. Every Codeable expert is vetted using our draw screening process, but that eliminates 98% of all applicants who are not up to our quality standards. We guarantee any Codeable expert who estimates your project will be able to complete your project at the highest quality. We have our 7 per 24-hour customer support team is here for your case. You need our help. Contact us anytime using our bull intercom bubble in the lower right corner of our website, or you can write us at support@codeable.io. We'll just click over next. We have also, you will enter what happens next, and we have a Codeable expert will then be able, then I will click over go to workroom. So what we have right now, you can just here click over OK if you want. Then you have just to enter your comments. Here we have here my here the one that I add, and this we have those information. So you have my projects. If you want to here create my new project, as you can see, well, I will just set it here, as you can see. So to use Codeable, sign up and create a profile showcasing your WordPress skills and experience. Once approved, browse available projects or get matched with clients who need your expertise. Apply to relevant jobs, negotiate rates, and start working on WordPress project. It's a great platform to connect with highest quality clients and grow your freelance career. So Codeable is a great platform for skilled WordPress developers to find high-quality freelancers opportunities. With its focus on top-tier projects and clients, it offers a reliable way to grow your freelance career. By creating a strong profile and applying to suitable jobs, You can connect with clients and work on existing exciting WordPress project. So this is how it works with this one. You can just get started as soon as possible. It's very easy to do that. You just following the steps by clicking on sign up and you add your information and you get started. Also, you have here my project if you want to hear quite new projects here, and you have all my in progress. You have your pending, such as published and published here. Then we have also your archived favorites, and you have fun art project, and here we have also in the top right other things such as here center chat with us, share feedback, report a back. Then we have also here discussion about here we have transactions, settings, and lookout. So we'll just go to the transactions. We don't have anything. You have just to put it ascending if you want. And let's go to the settings right now. About this one, you find here my profile. Here we have notifications, invoices, communication, privacy. About here invoices, you can add here those things: VAT number, business return, entity, country, city, address, name. You have enter your business information if you would like to receive and download invoices. We have invoices, communication privacy, manage your communication preferences. We have Codeable newsletter, Codeable blog posts, Codeable promotions and offers, updates and info relevant to your site, themes, plugins, and we have here etc. Codeable WordPress industry partner offers. Alright, then we have your account and the various things that could help us. Also, if you come back here, we have hired the best developers vetted by us, perfect for you. Then we have your heap of world-class experts for short-term, requiring and full-time WordPress work. We have here, for example, theme development, customization, plugin development and customization, e-commerce development, custom WordPress development. So we have just to select the one you want, and you have just to do like this, the same thing that we did. We have your design, custom APIs and integration. Then we have here security and performance, troubleshooting and maintenance. Then we have also here other things such as here we have how the best WordPress developers rated by us, perfect for you. Codeable is the only WordPress freelancer platform. We match customers to the best WordPress experts. We help customers solve any WordPress. Then we have also how it works. Get matched with your WordPress developer and enter one day. We have start project if you can see, and we have it tell us what you need. Only takes a few minutes in scope or size from short teams jobs to custom dev work, affordable consultation service available. Then we have here who we help business owners, agencies, and freelancers. Developers, we have your developer directly. App has a developer, then we have your why, about pricing also. We have partners, partner program, affiliate program, partner directory, partner login as well. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.